Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to check how many CUDA cores on your dedicated graphics card. Okay, I'm using NVIDIA RTX CUDA 5000. So how to check it? Simply, and I'm using Windows 11 OS. Okay, simply right click on your desktop, then select show more options, then go to NVIDIA Control Panel. You can see here. Okay, after that you will get this window, and left bottom corner you can see option of System Information. Click on that. Okay, then you will get this box, System Information. Here you can see that CUDA cores. I have 3072 CUDA cores on my Quadro RTX 5000. So in this way you can easily identify other details of your graphics card and also driver version, driver type, and other information you can see here. So that's guys very simple, and you can also save this file as a text file by clicking save. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.